Need to fix Twitter app can't change username? Then in today's video, I'm gonna guide you with a step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. So you might be in the position where you are inside the account of Twitter, but you are not being able to change the username. In this case, move into the App Store on your device. In the App Store, in the address bar, search for Twitter or X. Move into this app. You have to make sure that the application is up to date. Well, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then all you gotta do is click on update and update the app. Once it is up to date, the next thing you wanna do is move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, you need to head over to general. Move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application X and move into it. Now click on offload app. Once again, tap on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.